traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely looking at this as potentially the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, then we are likely now in a wave 4 correction, which is probably going to be very, very overlapping, probably making some sort of a three-way pattern down to at least the 50% level before it makes another attempt up for the wave 5. Probably going to be similar to the size of this wave 2. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely one impulsive move down. I still think this is a wave A. I mean, it could possibly go down one more time, like I've been saying, to finish off this wave A, but at some point it's going to have to make a correction to the wave A, like a wave B, and then go down for a wave C. You need to keep in mind that this wave 4 is a weekly and monthly time frame correction. What that means is that it potentially could take 8 months, maybe even more than that, for this to play out. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still not really convinced whether this is over yet, whether the wave A is over. I mean, definitely would still be looking for shorts. There's no break of shorts to the upside. It still kind of seems to me like we're trying to make another attempt on the downtrend. At some point, it could possibly turn at one of these fib levels, go up and break structure, and if it does, then I definitely would turn into a buyer, because at that point, that would pretty much prove to me that we're already in a wave B, which a wave B is a correction to the wave A. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts. We do not have a breaker structure to the upside. I do think that this could be 1, 2, 3 up for like a wave A, and this actually could be 1, 2, 3 waves down for a wave B. So keeping that in mind, this definitely could bounce from any one of these fib levels. It doesn't have to bounce from this one. It potentially could go down to any one of these fib levels, make a bounce, make a breaker structure. If it does do this, then I definitely would become a buyer, because then it probably proves to me that it is an A, a B, and a C of wave B on the higher time frames. So taking that down to the 1 hour time frame. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts, and there's actually been some really nice shorts over the last couple of weeks for sure. And if it breaks shorts to the upside, fine, I'll start looking for buys, no problem. If it makes another lower high, another impulsive down, then I will go short again until the higher time frames, like the 4 hour time frame, give me that break of structure, telling me that this really is a wave B and that a wave B really is over. Probably a wave B of wave B. But like I was explaining on the daily time frame, this could actually be like a wave 5 still, and it could just potentially just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs. So definitely continue to look for shorts until the market tells you otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.